Facts about Kenya in 2023. 1. Population. The population of Kenya is estimated to be around 59 million in 2023. 2. Economy. The economy of Kenya is expected to grow by 6.5% in 2023. 3. GDP. The GDP of Kenya is expected to be around $95 billion in 2023. 4. Infrastructure. Kenya is investing heavily in infrastructure, with new roads, rail lines, airports and ports being built or renovated. 5. Education. Kenya has made great strides in improving its education system, with a focus on providing quality primary and secondary education. 6. Healthcare. Kenya has made progress in improving its healthcare system, with a focus on primary healthcare, especially in rural areas. 7. Technology. Kenya is one of the fastest-growing technology hubs in Africa, with numerous tech startups, incubators, and accelerators. 8. Security. Kenya has made great efforts to improve its security, with the establishment of the National Police Service and other national security forces. 9. Governance. Kenya has made strides in strengthening its democratic institutions and improving its governance. 10. Environment. Kenya has adopted a number of policies aimed at protecting its environment, including the ban on plastic bags.